So I went to the dollar store and I got these hooks, and we're going to be using these to hang up the chandelier. As you can see, I have already placed or screwed in 4 hooks to the ceiling, and they will be used to hold the chandelier up. If you don't already have a light, you can always purchase one from the dollar store. I took these 2 picture frames and they are already sprayed silver, and now I'm going to take my drill and go around the perimeter or around each corner and drill, not too deep, but just enough for my hooks to go in. By the way, these are the loops that I use for the frames. After I'm done with the back, I'm going to do the same to the front, just twisting my hooks in. I'm doing this first to save myself some trouble later. And here are my embellishments I'm using today. All we're going to do, guys, is get your hot glue gun and put a dot or 2 on each embellishment at the top and just glue it around the perimeter of the picture frame. And also, guys, I kind of screwed it up because the top that's facing up is supposed to be facing down. I did it upside down as far as the picture frame, so make sure when you're doing it, the side that you want to be facing down should be down. So I ended up having to spray paint the other side of the picture frame silver so that it wouldn't look tacky. Like I said, all you're doing is going around the perimeter. There's no wrong way to do it. And also you're going to notice that some of the embellishments slash chains are longer than the others. And that was done intentionally because I wanted them to be a little different. I didn't want them to be the same length. And the last thing I'm going to do is go in between and start filling the spaces up. Moving on to the smaller frame. Like I said, I screwed up the first time, so I flipped it over this time because the bottom is going to be facing down and the top is going to be facing towards the ceiling, and it's not going to show, so it doesn't matter how the top of the frame looks. So now we're going to be taking this silver wire and I'm going to cut 4 pieces, and they're all the same size. And these are what I'm going to use to actually connect the smaller picture frame to the bigger picture frame. So all I'm doing is taking the piece of wire, sticking it through the hole, and then twisting it on each corner. I'm also using silver wire because it blends in better and you can hardly see it, and it gives the illusion that the bottom chandelier is just floating. After I'm done with all 4 corners, I'm going to add my middle chandelier, and I'm going to connect it by simply just twisting it, wrapping it around the clamp, the picture frame clamp. I found this to be the easiest because it's simple to just wrap it around, and it's very sturdy. Now for the hooks on the other side, I used a smaller piece of wire for each hook, and these are going to help hang this onto the ceiling. Who knew that something so beautiful could just be made out of 2 picture frames? As always, thank you guys for watching, and make sure to hit that subscribe button for the next DIY. Thank you.